Today we simulate the testing of the 8-layer tire. This is a tire that is used on pickup trucks. Then it is exceedingly dense and possesses a highly robust layer of steel wire on the inside. Let's test today. Will our booth tools be successful? Will it be, as we stated, fast, convenient, labor-saving? So let's simulate this wound. This is probably 3 millimeters. 3 millimeters in diameter. Let's first look at the old version of the display tools. So its diameter is about 5 millimeters. The size is significantly larger than the diameter of our wounds. So I believe that the process of polishing is what I think is responsible for this phenomenon. It's already very difficult. I think an ordinary person, especially for ladies, it is completely impossible to operate. Next, add the traditional rubber strip with a diameter of approximately 5 millimeters to enhance functionality and durability in the design. After folding, diameter is 10 millimeters. Are you interested in cutting a tough 10 mm rubber strip? This can be accomplished by using a 3 mm diameter wound as the cutting tool. I think it's difficult for ordinary people to operate, very difficult, so I'm not going to demonstrate it today, because I will not succeed. I have attempted it. Therefore, today, let's give it a shot. Give our tool a try. Can it be repaired successfully? Find out if our tool can help you achieve successful repairs. The first step is to polish the wound. We apply a little sulfurized glue. On the one hand, it has a lubricating effect. On the other hand, it is to let the wound and sulfurized glue full contact. All individuals find it remarkably effortless because we decrease the diameter of the cone to make it more manageable. Due to its thick steel wire layer, it is very sturdy. We polish it multiple times. All can hear its sound. Sound of rubbing against wire. Let's polish it again. Now let's apply the vulcanized glue on top of the adhesive tape to secure it in place. Let our rubber bands and tire wounds chemical reaction took place. Please observe all people here. Is it relatively easy to insert it? Even the slowest retract. Achievement like this is finished. We have trimmed the surplus adhesive strip. Is it, as we mentioned, rapid and time-saving?